Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all good. Today video is about House of Noufal 3-door concepts houses, PAZHAYANGADI, India. House of Noufal is in Kannur, a northern district in Kerala, India. Kerala features a wet maritime climate and experiences heavy rains during the summer monsoon season and hot days in the summer. The house is designed for Noufal Charan and his family of 4 including his wife and 3 kids. The client, being an avid traveler, wanted his open mindset and curiosity to be reflected in the house. One notable requirement was that the house be unique and weird at the same time and full of surprises. We started with an idea to design the house stirring modern architecture with traditional Kerala architecture, a proper climatically responsive tropical house. The sloping roof, visibly touching the ground, grants the house a unique form and posture, at the same time shade the house from heavy rain and harsh sunlight. Outer walls beneath the massive, sloped roof were given lengthy openings with the space inside divided into 2 by a courtyard at the center, giving proper cross ventilation and natural lighting.